Judd. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing Cup of Always. Here we go. This one's going to be interesting. What is Cup of Always supposed to mean? Endless, like tasting time stretched too thin. Sweet at first, but bitter when it won't stop. There's a weight in my chest, heavy and unrelenting, like I've been here before and will be again forever. My thoughts spiral, looping back on themselves, as if I'm dissolving into something that never ends and never begins. We have, what is this? A Venus flytrap. Okay. That kind of reminds me near the Punani area. You know those like movies where like a person's naked but they have like leaves covering them, some shit like that. Or like media, like Amazing World Gumball, shit like that. That's what this reminds me of, by the way. Just throwing it out there. But damn, Poison Ivy, I didn't know you had little chompers. What are they called? M.O.U.S.E.R.S? Let me go do some research right quick. M.O.U.S.E.R.S, that's what they're called. They're called M.O.U.S.E.R.S. Mobile, Offensive, Underground Search, Excavation, and Retrieval Sentries. That's what they remind me of, but in case you're wondering what the actual name of this is, it is called a Venus flytrap. But, yes, let's see which these is. No. Just like, no. Do you need something? My coffee machine is over there. Alright, yeah, that is it. That's my cup. That's the cup of always. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.